We're making olive nut spread today, another Hightower family favorite. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today it's time for another Hightower family favorite. However, this comes from my mother's side of the family. Olive nut spread. It's just wonderful, and you won't believe how simple it is to make. So grab your pen and paper. Here come the ingredients. You'll need 1 8-ounce package cream cheese at room temperature. You can set it out 1 to 2 hours ahead. 1/2 cup chopped pecans. 1/2 cup chopped salad olives. That's the green olives with pimientos. And you'll need 2 tablespoons of the olive juice. Optionally, we use also 1/2 cup of black olives. You'll need a dash of pepper and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And that's all there is to it. Let's start by whipping up our cream cheese. See, this is pretty soft. And remember the trick of, if it bogs down on your beaters, lift your beaters up a little bit, turn it on high, and it'll throw it into the bowl. But don't lift it up high or you'll get whang, and nobody wants that. So, next, we have our 1/2 cup of salad olives with the 2 tablespoons of olive juice. We have our 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. We get just a dash of black pepper, and then I'm going to put in, this is a small can, I'm going to do about half of those black olives and see how we do. And you mix it together. You know what? I'm going to do it all. But if you don't like black olives, leave them out. I'll mix these in. Mayonnaise. So here's 1/4 of a cup. And another 1/4 of a cup, and that makes 1/2 cup. I'm going to stir this in. You definitely need to go chill this for about 30 minutes because it's awfully soft right now, and then we'll go for the glamour shot. Our olive nut spread has been cooling in the refrigerator for a couple of hours while we ran errands, and now it's ready for a snack or a party. For example, April 6th is our channel's 1-year anniversary. Woohoo! So, let's set it up party style with crackers. Isn't that beautiful? You've got all the colors and textures of the crackers with the colors and the texture of the spread. You have the red pimientos, the black olives, the green olives. You have the pecans. All you need is a knife and a cracker, and just spread it on there. Mmm. It's so good. It'll slap your mama good. So good I had to close my eyes. It's just a party for the mouth. You've got the cream cheese is rich with the richness of the salt and those olives, and yummo. This is exactly what you need for an afternoon snack or to celebrate a great 1-year anniversary. Happy anniversary, Help at Home. Woohoo! Enjoy this and give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. One last thing to remember. According to my mother, this will last in the refrigerator for several weeks. If you like this recipe for delicious olive nut spread that you can put on a cracker or spread on vegetables, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this recipe and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Welcome to help. Alright kids, I was naughty. I forgot the half a cup of mayonnaise. Ah! I'm not doing well. Boo. Take two. Drop me a line below. If you like this recipe for delicious olive nut loaf,